Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you the easiest Crockpot Spaghetti and Meatballs meal. This dinner only has 4 ingredients and anyone can make this recipe. Start off by adding your favorite 24-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce to your crockpot. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of beef stock. Now I'm putting my beef stock in my jar that my sauce came out of and trying to get those last bits out of that jar. Now once you do that, give that a really good shake and add that to your crock pot and give it a really good stir. Now y'all, I made my spaghetti and meatballs backwards. I added the meatballs into my sauce first instead of adding my noodles. Y'all don't do what I did because it's a little bit difficult to get those noodles cooked if you don't put your noodles in before. Here I have 8 ounces of thin spaghetti. Now it is pretty difficult to find an 8-ounce package nowadays, but you can get a 16-ounce package and split that in half and use that. Place your lid on your crock pot and now we're going to heat that up on low for 4 hours. Make sure you check your noodles in between, ensuring that your noodles are in that liquid. In total, I used about 2.5 cups of beef stock for this recipe. Enjoy, y'all!